How to change download location in Brave browser. Welcome to today's tutorial, everyone. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can change download location in Brave browser. Changing your download location in Brave browser is very simple and direct. Just follow me as I'll be showing you how to do so in today's tutorial. So the first thing to do is to open up the Brave browser on your PC, just like I have done here. And then once you open it up, you'll be brought to the tabs page automatically, where you'll see several options. And the next thing to do is to move to the top right corner of the screen, where you can see three dashes. Once you see these three dashes, ensure you click on it. Once you click on it, in the box displayed, scroll down until you see settings, and then you click on it. Then once you click on the settings page, you're brought to the page where you would see settings as well as other options in the upper part of the menu. And then by the left side of the screen, you will see another menu displaying get started, appearance, shields, privacy and security, Brave rewards, etc. Scroll down until you see the downloads option. So once you see it, you'll be taken to the downloads page where you'll see the location. All right, so the next thing to do is to click on change. Once you click on change, you'll be redirected to your device's files. Here you can now select where you want your download option or your downloaded files to go to. All right, once you selected it, click on select folder, and then just like that, the location would be changed. It is that simple. Okay, so go ahead and try it out today. Thanks for watching.